Place starts in my toes and I crinkle my nose wherever it goes. I always
Let's go bust a mission.
Let's do it.
Bienvenidos a DJ's Bakery.
Give me your going to your money. Come on, hurry up.
LAPD!
Fuck it. Get on the other side. Get on the other side.
Put your guns down. Hands behind your head. Or back. Or back. Can't even do. Alright. You guys have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to speak to an attorney and have an attorney present during any questioning. You guys can't afford a lawyer. The one will be provided for you at government expense.
Damn, fool, this ain't right, Holmes.
I know, huh?
What are you guys in for?
Robbing a bakery. What are you in for?
Did you hear about the crash about 9/11?
Yeah?
Yeah, I did that.
What did you do?
I killed my parents
Why?
for a game.
This
It's court day, ladies.
Today's case, Gillian and Sanchez versus Gigi's Bakery.
In both Magna Carta and the Bill of Rights, it clearly states that one cannot be in prison unless proven guilty and also has the right to speedy trial and the right to a jury.
Order, order. On this evening of March 4th, 2009, these two young ladies were caught trying to rob a bakery. Because of this, I sentenced them to 200 hours of community service. What does the jury say? You heard the jury. Guilty.
We hope you enjoy our video.
We think that the Bill of Rights and the Magna Carta are really important to human rights and justice because the Magna Carta and the Bill of Rights gave us the right to a speedy trial and to a jury and said that we couldn't be imprisoned without being proved guilty.
The Magna Carta and the Bill of Rights gave us the three branches, the legislative, executive, and the judicial. And each one controls its own part of the government so that the government won't have so much power. And they can do anything they want with it. So
The checks and balances help us by not giving any of the three branches more power than another. And with that being done, we would not go hierarchy once
the
again.
Bill of Rights also gave us the right to be treated equally no matter what you are or your social status. Whether you're
White, black, Hispanic.
a vampire,
Big.
you will always be treated equally.
Get on the other side. Get on the other side.
Drop your weapons. Hands behind your back. Shit, I forgot my handcuffs.
Oh, sorry. I don't know where my gun went. Oh, here. Can we?
Hi. no, can't see you.
We hope you enjoyed our video. we hope you enjoyed. Sort of. Bienvenidos a Gigi's Bakery.
Give me all your going to your money. Hurry up, boo! Come on!
Bienvenidos a Gigi's Bakery.
Give me your guns and all your money. Hurry up, boo!
¿Qué? You run my money! Run! Shit! I killed it! It's me!